Samsung will soon launch its Galaxy Watch FE, and some of the leaked images we have got today, and it's an officially looking images as well. So coming to the Watch FE, it's a 40mm size and will have 1.2-inch Super AMOLED screen. And you will get a 247mAh battery also, with a 1.5GB of RAM and 16GB of storage. The watch comes with a magnetic wireless charging and 50-meter water resistance, and will get with a aluminum body, and will also be IP6 set rated and MRLSTD 810H certified. Coming to the power, it is powered by the Exynos W920 chipset and will run Wear OS with the Samsung's One UI Watch 5.0 on top. This is notable because the Korean company has just announced the 6.0 iteration of its wearable skin, so it looks like the Watch FE won't have that from day one. The device will get an accelerometer, a barometer, bioelectrical impedance analysis, an electrical cardiac sensor, a gyroscope, a geomagnetic sensor, and a brightness sensor, and an optical heart rate monitor. So there is so much more in this upcoming Galaxy Watch FE. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.